The objective genitive describes the noun it is attached to. So genitive is one of the cases. And this use of the genitive describes the noun it is modifying. And in this case, it has a verbal idea, which means it's an action. So for this verse, we are looking at 1 John chapter 5. In fact, this is love for God, to keep his commands, and his commands are not burdensome. The NIV handles this one really well. So the Greek element is love for God. So many translations say, which isn't wrong, this is love of God. But in English, it leaves the idea open that God possesses the love, or it's God's love. And in many cases, that's true. But in this verse, it's actually describing what kind of love it is, not who owns the love, but it answers what's the object of the love. So it all comes back to what question you're asking and what, in this instance, is the answer to the question. So going back to the verse, we see, in fact, this is love for God. Again, describing the love, it's not God's love. In this case, it's what kind of love is it? This is love for God, to keep his commands. This is how we love God. We keep his commands.